guys, I don't know if y'all remember me talking about this the last time I vlogged, but we was talking about the coil packs on a 99 Camaro 3800 series. A lot of the misfire problems when you step on the gas, a lot of people think it's the spark plugs or the sheathing on the wiring, which it also can be, but I've found, if you look right here, where it says 3 and 6 coil pack ignitions, the middle one right there, which is 5 and 2, is typically usually the one that's always bad on these cars. So that would be a lot of the issues with the 99s. 2000s also. Pretty much that fixes everything on the misfiring.